A template can be a template like this with simply just an empty canvas. Or you can start adding so-called placeholders to it if you like. So if I add a placeholder here, I can place it where I would like it to be, and I can also use these options down here to be very precise on the placement and size of this placeholder. And the idea of the placeholder is that you can replace it with a data object later on. So that was my first placeholder. Let's add another one up here. Again, I want to be a little bit more precise, so I'll use my X and Y width and height options down here. And let's just do a third and last one. So this one should go down here somewhere. Again, you can try to place manually, but I would strongly recommend that you try using these options. You can, of course, go here and use the alignment tools, the green lines, if you like. So now we've got a template with 3 placeholders. I just need to save it as a new template. So I already got my templates folder here. Save it as a template. I got a template already. It's actually the same one, just with placeholders now. So I'll just give it that name and save it. So yeah, now it's been saved. I'll close it and then start using it. It is right here, so let's try it. And we can see it comes up with the 3 placeholders. And now the idea is you select the placeholder first, and then in this case I'm going to replace it with a cross tab. And I'll just need to put in a few measures and dimensions into this cross tab, revenue and profit. And I think the item hierarchy would be fine here, and maybe a customer territory dimension as well. So the cross tab goes into the reserved space of the placeholder. And similar, you can do let's do a donut chart, and on the second placeholder, this one should be revenue by territory. It goes there. And the last one here, another spline chart, I think I'll put in here. But as you can see, with a template like this, you already got some reserved spaces with fixed sizes, etc., where you can put in your data objects, just to make sure that all of your documents, all of your dashboards will look consistent.